Welcome to the channel again. As you can see today, I thought I'll do a quick video on BHP. I think everyone's what do you call like a dream, or you can't say dream stock. It's one of the best stocks you everyone love to have in your portfolio for the long term because of the I think they pay very good dividend as well. So with recent pullback with iron ore prices dropping, let's have a quick look. If you wish, like if you are willing to buy, is it a good time to buy the BHP? As you can see, so this chart, like from 2016, they had a big dip. Since then, it is sort of going upwards. Then had a sideways sort of movement here, then started going up, then this big dip happened. So I measured from here all like dips, like more or less significant dips. So here the dip was 20%, then this dip was 18%, and let's have a look. This one I didn't measure before. It is in the, yeah, that one is 12%. Then this is the COVID crash. So that dropped 42%, and this is 16%, and here now the drop is 32%. So from 2016, this stock, this is like more or less they had a good run, then you can see went sideways, then dropped here. That's 2016. Not sure what happened, but that's the big dip this stock had. Then after that, the biggest dip is this COVID correction, 42%, and now it has dropped 32%. So by looking at the history up to 2016, it is a good time to buy this stock. Uh, that's how I see it, because it is almost dropped same as the COVID crash. Then let's have a look here. What are the what what are the support areas? Probably I'll delete this one, otherwise you can't see properly. See here, when I looked at this graph, there's a support area here, you can see, but the stock didn't move much. Then the COVID crash came. Then after COVID recovery, this is a resistance area, and then this is another support area. So if you look for support areas, this stock has a support area between $33-$34. Now it is sitting around $37. So volume has picked up as well last few weeks. I think a lot of people, while some people selling it, others has to buy it, otherwise it doesn't work. I believe they have picked up the stock for their long-term portfolio, and who are looking for the dividend payments, I guess they have picked up the stock. So by looking at this, I have a feeling this stock may come a bit more further down into one of these support areas or closer. So I think there is like this area, this stock has a bit more to come down by looking at the chart, because can't see any clear support area. See, this is like a previous resistance area. It would have acted as a support, but it has fallen through that one. If you look here, there's my tool, roughly around here. See, it has dropped uh, that critical previous resistance. Normally, sometimes when stocks drop, those resistance areas act as support, but it has passed through that area. So the next area I am looking for support is around $32, 33 to $34, that area. So I personally, I think this stock will fall little bit more in next week or so, unless iron ore prices go high or something happen which will reverse this stock. Otherwise, I expect this stock to drop further. So if you are willing to buy for your portfolio, I I would advise maybe keep a close eye on the stock. So if it reverse, you can buy, or otherwise just wait maybe 2 3 weeks, so you can buy it cheaper than what it is now. And other thing I will show you, see, you can see the RSI below. See, RSI is almost 30%. See this line, I believe you can see. So only time this RSI in weekly chart has gone no closer to 30 is now. So it's almost oversold. And here, this is the COVID crash, oversold. And if you go further here, see, 2016. So that's the only time this stock has been oversold. Like oversold means, or it RSI has gone closer to 30% or more. So it means get into that oversold territory. That's the only time here, 2016. Then this is the COVID crash, and now. So then I think you will understand it is a good opportunity if you are a person waiting to buy BHP. Now you will understand this is a good opportunity. But like everyone, if you can buy the stock more cheaper, I mean that's good for everyone, like whoever buys. So that's why I said if you want, you can buy at this level. If you think iron ore prices will recover, this stock will go up, this may be the bottom. Yep, you can buy it, no issue, because it has dropped 32%, and that's the just short of this COVID pullback. So that's a good area to buy. But if you if you are willing to wait, be patient, and if you are happy to accept if this turn around and go away, you may not get it, you have to buy it more higher prices if you wish, or you just let it go. Those people, you can wait another 2 3 weeks in case if it drops further down into these support areas, then you can buy it cheap. So it's a bit hard to say if it will reverse from here, because I can't see any support as such in this area. But as I tell always, we are looking at probabilities in this technical analysis. So the probability is it may come closer to these support areas and turn around. But since RSI has dropped to 30%, it can turn around at these levels, because the fund managers and those guys may be buying this stock now because it is cheap at these levels. They may be looking at this stock. Yeah, that's all. I just wanted to show you people who are willing to buy at BHP and waiting for it to come down. So just wanted to show it may be a good opportunity if you have a person willing to buy BHP. Like like I say always, if you want to buy, always put a stop loss. It will cover if it goes further down, and do your own research. This is how I see it, but you may see it differently. It may not fit your financial situation. Yeah, please do your own research, and I'll see you again in another video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. That will help my channel. Thanks.